Not perfect, but it's good, it's clean, and I'm very sure na exfoliated talaga siya. Hi lovelies! For this video, I will share to you one of my favorite body care tips. Ang daming nagtatanong if ano ba yung sabon ko, if ano ba yung lotions ko. They don't know that it's always about exfoliating. Yes, whitening and moisturizing products are very important if gusto mo ma-achieve ang glowing skin. But guys, very important ang pag-exfoliate natin ng skin. And yun yung mga hindi alam ng karamihan. I'll share to you one of my favorite exfoliating gels. This is from Freshini. They are citrus underarm exfoliating and whitening gel. Usually, ginagamit ko sa underarm, pero ginagamit ko siya sa lahat ng mga dark areas ko or mga skin. I use this sa underarm ko, sa neck, sa buttock ko, here, and also sa legs ko. And lahat ng dark areas ko, almost sa buong body ko, if gusto ko talaga matanggal ang dead skin ko. Madali lang naman siya gamitin guys. Kumuha ka lang ng enough na amount. Ayan. Usually sa underarm ko ito ginagamit. Ayan, here ko siya ginagamit. Hindi perfect ang underarm ko, pero nakakatulong talaga siya to whiten and to exfoliate your underarm. Ayan. Pinamassage ko siya like around 1 minute, tsaka ko siya ni-rinse off. And this is my underarm after ko siya i-exfoliate. Ayan. It's not perfect, but it's good, it's clean, and I'm very sure na exfoliated talaga siya. Again, aside sa underarm ko, I use this sa kahit anong parts ng body ko, especially here din, sa neck ko, here banda. Kanya nag-peel off siya. Also here, yan, as you can see. Alam niyo, nakatulong talaga to whiten my elbows. Dati kasi, ang hindi ko kasi mag-lean sa mga table, ganyan. So, nangingitim siya. But when I started using this, look, lighten talaga siya. This contains niacinamide and arbutin as well. Arbutin is one of my favorite whitening ingredient kasi napaka-effective na talaga. And it also contains citrus extract to soothe your skin. So lovelies, if you want to start right with your whitening and glowing skin journey, try and check this out. It's available on my yellow basket.